So this is looking right out my front door. There's the front mat, front chairs, fire pit, and looking out into the beautiful forest. This is looking west where the sun sets. Although Ninja's followed me on a hike back here, she never seems to go out here. I guess she likes the meadow on the other side for hunting. As you can see, right above me, trees. So I only get a little solar right about now. That's why I moved. But it's enough to do the job since really I don't have anything on day or night. So let's get back inside on this cloudy, it's not a cloudy day, it's a cloudy day. And finish that Diet Coke and enjoy watching some shows. And this is at my bedroom window. You can see clouds. It had been lightly raining today. And I'm sure Ninja's out in the meadow somewhere. But I'm going to relax here. Might go out for a walk later this afternoon if it doesn't rain anymore. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and show you my nightmare. Right on the side of my bed. Dun, dun, dun. Yeah, this is my nightmare. I've got my baby wipes. Used to have a jar of peanuts here, but I ate them. I've got my Echo Dot for those rainy days where I need a speaker. Can of chew. Sleeping tablets. PTSD tablets, back scratcher, gotta have it. My Balder, which again, 12 volt output does not work. So I got the new Blue Eddy, but this was so nice and compact. I just love it. I put a paper towel on the top, use it as my cup holder, and keep a pin on top. Yes, I also have some wipes for my glasses and dental floss. This nightmare is going to be solved once in my bedroom I put up a nice, a nice shelf right here with a lip on it. Then all this stuff is going to go right there. Better angle. Shelf's going to go right there with a good lip on it. All this will go on that shelf. And then this is the slide out. So when it slides in and out, all this junk will still be there. But I use this stuff every day, several times a day. This is where I'm charging my phone from. I've got the little cord here. So when my phone dies, ta-da, look at all these cords. What a nightmare. I could charge my phone. Cable to I don't know what. So this is my nightmare that once I go to Home Depot, I've got to order it. They don't have any in stock to put in the shelf with a little lip. Oh, it'd be so nice. So what my situation is I had been out here in the RV for about 30 days. Plenty of food, water, black tank capacity. But then the black tank was full. I'm almost out of water. Took the car in, got some fresh water, and emptied the black tank. Brought that back, put in the fresh water yesterday into the tanks, 12 gallons at least. Oh, I did get propane, so I've got total full propane. But my black tank is approaching being full, at least according to the gauge. I've probably got another 4 or 5 days left. But I'm near Belmont at where the RV shop that's going to put in my awning at, and I don't want to drive too far from there. So I'm going to save you from my blabbing here on video and just summarize that once the awning repair is done, then I'll head west and locate to another location by Kingman or maybe out at my property, another 100, 120 miles west. Until then, I'm just kind of sitting tight. We'll see. And one thing I do, even on a cold day, is I make sure this window's cracked open. See? That way I can hear any people or animal noises or anything out there. So I'm going to lay here and watch some videos while looking at this beautiful view. And what's an evening without a little walk with Ninja? Come on, we're going to go a different way. Towards the water tank. Somewhere I've been, but I don't think Ninja's been up here with me. And there she goes. Walked out a little further here in the meadow and looks like an old water tank. You can see the metal there and the circle around it. What a beautiful meadow. We'll see about going a little further this way to the east. Let Ninja lead the way. And I'll have a little seat on the stump over here and let Ninja look around. It is beautiful. Way off in the distance there at the tree line is my RV camp, and the sun sets there to the west. Ready to go back? Well, I think that's going to do it. For dinner, I'm just going to cook up a couple of hot dogs the same way. Nothing special. I might make some rice with it. Maybe some stovetop stuffing. I don't know. Probably end up just doing hot dogs being lazy. But thanks for coming along. Definitely appreciate you watching. If you haven't subscribed already, we'd love to have you as a subscriber so you get alerts anytime I post a new video. And for the rest of you, from Ninja and I, we bid you adieu. Be positive, be nice, be active.